Hey guys, welcome to Ninja Guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva AI text generator, guys. Okay, it's a really easy and simple. First things first, guys, you want to open up Canva. You want to log in if you haven't already. You can actually use this feature, which is called basically Magic Write. The feature is called Magic Write, and you can use it even as a free user, but they're going to limit you to 25 tries. You can do that for 25 times as a free user. But if you're a pro user, you can do it unlimited times. But I'm going to show you just how you can do it. You can do it for free. You can create multiple accounts and use it for free. So what you need to do, guys, is first click here. Let me show you again. Actually, what you actually need to click on to come here. So this is the feature basically. It's called Magic Write, and it's an online AI text generator, guys. You just enter a prompt like it's Chat GPT, and you can unlock the power of AI, guys, in your Canva designs. It's really easy and simple. I'm going to show you just how you can do this, guys. So you either select a template, okay, or you just create a blank new project. But let me show you how to access this from the home page. I'm going to come to the home page and I'm going to show you just how we can access this. So you can click on documents right here or choose one of the templates from here. But I'm just going to click on here, or you can just search it up and search for Magic, right? But I'm just going to click on document. We're going to create a new document, guys, a fresh document that we can fully customize as we want. Now, let's wait for this to load up and I'm going to show you what you can do in the next. All right, guys, the document has loaded up. Now you can see right here, we see this option right here as well, a Magic Write. It's a very popular option. Well, you can come to here in apps and then search for it, but we have it right here. So we're just going to be. So I can see here there's some quote going on. So I'm just going to click on this and maybe we'll generate some quotes. So if we have a writer's block, we can just use Magic Write. Okay, it's our AI powered tool that's basically going to help us out. Okay, just going to click on try it out. Now, what do I want? I want, hmm, let's see. What we're going to do, guys, we're going to write a product description for eco-friendly water bottles, okay? Write me a product description for an eco-friendly water bottle. Okay, now I'm just going to click on generate. Let's see how it does, guys. You can also do control plus enter if you want to be really fast about it. Oh my gosh, guys, that is beautiful. Look at this. That is actually beautiful, guys. Wow. And you can customize it. You can add further prompts to this and like this is okay, but I wanted it to be like this, or want it more to be like this. You can change it up. You can edit it right directly as well. So you can insert this. I'm going to just insert this. This looks perfectly fine to me. All right, this is beautiful. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on this plus icon right here, and then I can say, I can do Magic Write, and then I can say, write an eco-friendly quote for me. And then click on generate. Let's see how this does. Click on generate, and let's see. Oh, this is perfect. We're going to insert this at the end, guys, and I'm going to remove this because we don't need to point that out like that. So this is a perfect little quote we have. We could edit this and change the colors, for example, make it more bold. We can change the colors, maybe make this green, right? We can make this green. All right, let me click on this color icon right here, this color palette. This green looks good. It looks more in align with nature, guys, but it does not stand out in the white background. So we're going to change it again. We're going to change it up. And maybe we can add a border to this text, which you can play around with later. You can change it up. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like this. So here we can change the name of the water bottle. We could put a different name. You could put Panda Bottle. Okay, you can put Panda Bottle. You can add an image right here, guys. You can go and add elements such as images right here. You can add templates. You can upload an image from right here. I can search for panda. Let me search for panda. Let me get a panda image. Hopefully a clip art. Okay, searching for it right now. There have been no panda results. But let me show you how to add an image basically. For example, we can just put this one here. This is like your logo. Boom. Resize it. You can do this, basically this AI text generator in different ways. You can use it in an Instagram post, other different templates. You can get templates right here. Let me show you. Just come and get the templates for different documents. and then you can edit it that way, guys. You can get Instagram pages, one page stuff, resumes. You can write resumes, guys. You can do a lot of different things with this app. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. You can now customize the design, mess around with it. You can create a company profile. You know, you can add fonts, colors, layout, match your style, adjust the text box, reposition it according to your design. And once you're satisfied, guys, just click here, share, and then you can download to export the project in your desired format, guys. And if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. It's literally that easy and simple. All I need to do is click on download, and it will download as a PDF right here just now. Literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you still need any help. I'll help you out. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides so I can see you in the next video.